Welcome to Benidorm, a charming city nestled along Spain's stunning Costa Blanca. This captivating destination is a blend of golden sandy beaches, vibrant nightlife, and a rich cultural heritage. From towering skyscrapers to charming historical nooks, Benidorm offers a unique allure. Whether you're drawn to the sun-kissed beaches or the pulsating nightlife, there's something to entice every traveler. But it's not just the modern attractions that make this city special. Benidorm's cultural heritage adds an extra layer of charm to this Spanish paradise. Prepare to be captivated by this alluring destination. Begin your adventure with Benidorm's breathtaking beaches. Nothing epitomizes the charm of this Spanish paradise better than its world-renowned beaches, Levante and Poniente. Imagine yourself strolling along the shoreline, the warm, soft sand beneath your feet as you gaze out upon the crystal-clear waters. These are the moments that make a trip to Benidorm truly unforgettable. Whether you're a sun worshipper or a sea lover, these beaches provide a perfect setting for soaking up the sun and enjoying the sea. Benidorm's gastronomy is a delightful fusion of Mediterranean flavors and local traditions. Picture yourself savoring fresh paellas, a Spanish classic that's a symphony of saffron-infused rice and succulent seafood. Now imagine indulging in a variety of exquisite seafood, fresh from the azure Mediterranean Sea. And the best part? You get to enjoy these culinary delights at charming seaside restaurants where the ambience is as tantalizing as the food itself. In Benidorm, every bite is an explosion of flavor. Explore Benidorm's fascinating past through its architecture and historical sites. The Old Town is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets where centuries-old buildings whisper tales of yesteryears. It's like stepping into a time machine, with every turn revealing a new piece of the town's rich tapestry. Don't forget to visit the balcony of the Mediterranean. It offers unparalleled panoramic views that'll leave you breathless. It's more than just a viewpoint, it's a testament to Benidorm's enduring charm. These historical sites will transport you back in time. Benidorm is filled with iconic places that will leave you breathless. From the iconic Parque de la Higuera, with its beautiful gardens and fountains, to the majestic Benidorm Castle, there's magic in every corner. The enchanting atmosphere of Elka Park will captivate you, while the natural beauty of Serra Gelada Natural Park will leave you in awe. These magical places are not just sights to behold, but experiences that will touch your soul. Each corner of Benidorm holds its own magic. The fun never ends in Benidorm. This city is a never-ending celebration, hosting festivities and events year-round that reflect the vibrant local life and culture. From the colorful Moros y Cristianos festival to lively concerts in the Plaza Mayor, there's always a reason to join in on the fun. And as night falls, the city pulses with energy. The bars, clubs, and pubs come alive, filled with music and dance, creating a nightlife scene that's second to none. In Benidorm, there's always something exciting happening.